A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Benville Parish, law. Brassear Parish, law. Caddo Parish, law. Caldwell Parish, law. Claiborne Parish, law. DeSoto Parish, law. East Carroll Parish, law. Franklin Parish, law. Jackson Parish, law. Lincoln Parish, law. Madison Parish, law. Morehouse Parish, law. Ouachita Parish, law. Red River Parish, law. Richland Parish, law. Union Parish, law. Webster Parish, law. West Carroll Parish, Louisiana, and Wynn Parish, Louisiana, beginning at 7:16 p.m. January 26th and ending at 11:16 a.m. January 27th. Alert: heavy delays on I-20 near Arcadia and Ruston due to hazardous conditions. Alert: heavy delays on I-20 near Arcadia and Ruston due to hazardous conditions.